But one, today I invite you to join me on a magical trip to meet some amazing animals. Are ready? Let's go! Today, first, I will talk about the ocean animals. First, we have the shark. Do you see?
Yes, I see.
The shark, it's big, strong, and are great hunters in the ocean. Next, did you see the dolphin I was circled?
Yes, I see.
The dolphin are friendly, smart, and love to play. Look, the dolphin jump up high and dive into the water. Splash! Next, we have the octopus. The octopus is dancing in the water with 8 arms. Wiggle, wiggle. Next, we have the squid. The squid are small and it's purple and it squirts ink when it feels scary. Next, we have the manta rays. The manta rays is beautiful, long, and very long. And it's the biggest race in the world. Next, we have the jellyfish. The jellyfish is have a beautiful light of many colors. It makes you feel hurts everywhere in your body. Okay, next we have the turtle. Swimming in slow walk on land you see it slow, but in water it swim fast. It have a back like a rock and it's very hard to kick about it. If you kick its back, you will hurt. Don't kick it. Next, we have the seahorse. If you look closely and very closely, don't be very closely, just a little bit of closely, and you will see a seahorse. The seahorse is a fairy of the ocean and it's very small, like this, okay? And like this. Next, we have the fish. Oh, you see it?
Yeah, I see.
The fish are small, have It has many fish in the world. Maybe there are more than 1,000 fish in the world. And fish are healthy, have have full of vitamin C for you. It's good for health.
Yeah, we go for her.
Next, you can see the shrimp.
Yes, I see.
If you look closely, it's just smaller than a seahorse. If you look closely and closely, you can see it's a shrimp. If you see it from far, you just see it's orange.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat shrimp. It's just small. You don't have to look up. Okay, next we have the crab. The crab walk the other side on the rock. Crack, 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 crack. It didn't go a line. It goes a line like this, not a line to the that. Next, we have the goldfish.
Goldfish. What's goldfish?
Goldfish. See it?
Yeah, I see.
Goldfish is a fish that have a yellow skins,
Yellow skin.
and it just look like gold, so everyone call it a goldfish. Next, did you see the pufferfish?
Pufferfish. What this? Pufferfish?
Yes, this is the pufferfish.
I see.
Pufferfish just around like a ball, have many spikes. Touch it. Don't touch it.
Why?
It make you hurt.
Yeah.
Yes, hurt. And you will die after many weeks. If you don't use
Don't eat.
if you don't tìm thuốc. Next, I see the alligator or a crocodile. See it?
Yeah, I see. I'm scared.
Yeah. Yep. Of course you scared. It's very long, longer than a race. Its tail's very, very strong. It can make the car be a small piece. It's have a long mouth. 60 teeth in its mouth is very, very sharp. I see now.
The end.
Next, we have the otter.
Otter.
The otter.
Where is live?
It lives under the water.
Under the water.
Yes, but in Vietnam didn't have it. It's live in the forest, the lake of the forest, or maybe north.
Not Asia or not Europe or not
North,
America.
North of Asia.
Of Asia.
It's very cold there. Sorry. Give me for a little while. The otter wants to stay in the water.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I just talked to the ocean animals today. Next time, I will talk about the land animal. See you again.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.